The name Shoei has long been synonymous with premium in the motorcycle helmet market, a credential that hundreds of loyal men and women in their Japan factories wear with great pride. The evolution and production of their world-class helmet line is a meticulous process that combines the very latest in technology with consumer feedback, modern testing practices, advanced materials, and over 50 years of helmet building experience. Just like the very first Shoei helmet built by their founder back in 1959, every Shoei today is still handmade in Japan utilizing a sophisticated process that involves over 50 people for each and every helmet. Aerodynamic Shell Design. Aerodynamic properties are maximized through extensive wind tunnel testing and professional riders' feedback. Dual-layer multi-density EPS liner enhances impact absorption and ventilation. 4 shell and EPS liner sizes present increased fit options that help to comfortably fit most head sizes. Ventilation system. 2 upper air intake vents are positioned to maximize air volume into the helmet interior. Hot air is exhausted through top OU. Top reviews from the United States. Standard high-quality Fran Shoei. I have had a lot of helmets, most of them Shoeis. Needed a new helmet for use on my Harley and the flashy designs on my sport bike lids were too much. Although less expensive than my others, it is still built with high Shoei standards and fits my intermediate oval head perfectly.